Right, hi everyone. Right, so today we actually have an item here, and it's this. Right, so let's open it up first. Aha, so this is actually courtesy of SoundPeats. They actually reached out to me and they actually wanted me to actually test and review this new earphone, which is the Air 5, as you can see here. Air 5 Black wireless earbud. So this is how it actually looks. It's on ear, that means it's actually not going into your ear at all. Let's get into it. Camera angle which I had. I mean, recently I just did a new upgrade, so I have this overhead shot, which is I find it quite nice whenever I'm doing like unboxing. Now that I've actually removed the plastic, you can actually see that the item itself glossy, shiny. Just gonna pull out the lazy way. Ooh, okay, and out comes the product itself, and let's see what other things they have. This is the bottom of the case. Nothing. And this one, you can see the logo here. It says wire, so there's a flap here, you can put it up. And you review the charging cable, which is like USB-A to USB-C. One end is USB-A and then one is USB-C, but I think this is a pretty short cable. On the other end, nothing. Like documents, and there's a flap, you can put it out. Flap. Okay, yes, true. Okay, so here you can actually see that firstly, SoundPeats actually renamed the app. It's called Pets Audio right now. Okay, so it's actually available on like Google and Apple App Store. And this is actually the user guide. It's in various different languages, you can see here. It starts with English first. Stickers! That's very nice. We have, panda stickers. Nice. Okay, first and foremost, you have the case. You have the earbud, charging cable, stickers, user guide. This one. So this is exactly what you get when you get the Air 5. And we zoom into this. When you first take it out, you'll see that it actually comes in this translucent plastic wrapping. Just take this out. So now let's take a look at the casing itself. So you see that it's like a signature for quite a few of the earbuds I've actually tested from SoundPeats. It's actually like a matte finishing on the exterior of the casing, and then in the middle it will be like this grey lining. You can see here it says here your signature. Okay, and this is glossy. This is like their catchphrase. Bottom, you will actually find the USB-C charging port. And the button here probably is like for reset. So let's open up. Right, there's like a slight groove here. Okay, so let's take out the earbuds. Let's look at the left earbud first. So you can see that it's very similar design signature to the AirPods 3. The overall is actually matte finishing. So it's two charging pins on the side, you can see here. And the part here, this is probably like all the touch controls is probably here. Glossy all the way to the bottom. It's like brass color. Right, very chromed. And then here is shiny again. And this is where the music will come out. Do a close up. I really wonder how the ANC will work for this, because there's actually no seal or whatsoever. Oh, and at the bottom you'll see there's one hole here. This is for the microphone to pick up our voice when we are talking. Okay, let me do the test fit now. I mean, it wears just like AirPods 3 actually. It feels just like AirPods 3. Yeah, but it doesn't really have the grip of the AirPods 3 on the surrounding my ears, because it's actually just outside. As with all earbuds, I actually need to charge them up. What I have with me here, as you can see here, this is actually a USB-C cable. So I'm just going to plug it in at the bottom and let's see what happens. Okay, so it's breathing. You can see the green light breathing in and breathing out very gently. So this means that it's actually charging the battery. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to leave the earbuds to charge, and we'll come back in a few moments time and see what happens. Alright, so it's about 1 hour later. So you can see here the green is actually solid, so it means that it's actually 100% charged. And now let's carry on with the testing. Hi guys, so in this segment of video, I'm actually going to do an initial impression on the sound quality of the Air 5. Right, so I'm going to go on is I'm going to listen to some of my favorite soundtracks, some Chinese, some Singapore local song first. Audio is currently pretty low at 30, so let's up it to 50%. And for information, it's currently on noise cancellation, but I can still hear myself talk pretty well. Let's go into normal mode. There's actually not much reduction on actually my own talking voice. Doesn't have any seal. There's a sense of airiness to it, and mind you, I just switch off all kinds of EQ for now. So far the music is pretty easy on the ear. There's a sense of airiness to it, like I mentioned earlier. Right, let's go into this one, the next one. Let's see, this one is at, let's put it at 60% because it's usually how the volume I listen to it. For this particular song, the female vocal is pushed much forward compared to the previous song. Not too sure if that's due to the acoustic tuning between male voices and female voices. Again, the bass is not really very thumping. Let's try this one, which has a lot of bass, and I'm gonna up it to around like 80% so that the bass is able to be emphasized. Okay, but the bass is not really thumping. I'm not too sure if it's due to the lack of like the seal and whatever. It sounds like people tapping on the bass here is like people tapping on the table. Tap 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 tap, this kind of stuff. Yeah, weird, very very weird. All right, let's go with rock. Let's see how. Yeah, rather flat actually. Yeah, I mean, let's see. This is a rap song. Whoa, that's heavy. I'm waiting for the rap to come in first. This is a bit of the beginning, the introduction. Okay, rap is good. The vocal is very clear, very sharp. It's not muffled. Let's try another one. This one is also, it's like a sing rap. Oh, it's pushed very forward. Because for the same track, if I were to hear it on the other earbuds, it's not that forward. But for this particular song, it's pushed very forward. Wow, okay. And I can hear the words very very clearly. That's surprising to me. I mean, this is one of my regular playlists, so it's quite surprising for me that this song the vocal is so crystal clear. Okay, let's choose another one. Well, it's my first Vietnamese song actually. Let's see. Vocals is pushed right to the front. Okay, very nice, and it's really surprising that it's so clear, so sharp on the Air 5. So, first impression of the Air 5 on my regular listening list is pretty good. Vocals wise, I'm very surprised that it's actually pushed so front. But just that bass on bassy heavy songs, like I listened to the Skater Boy and stuff, not really there. Even though I tried to boost it up to like 70-80%, it's still not there. So I guess that this is actually, I'm quite okay with the Air 5. And there's something that for the very first time I actually have earbuds that are non-in-ear and they still provide like noise reduction. The good thing is that it doesn't really reduce my talking voice, which is good, so that I am always very aware of my volume when I talk. Okay, yeah. So there you have it. This has actually been my initial impression on the sound quality by the Air 5 on some songs which I actually listen to pretty regularly. But of course, if you wish to have the full review on how this earbud is really like on a day-to-day basis, alright, so do remember to subscribe to my channel, follow me and like this video and share this with your friends. My name is Johnny. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.